Incremental readings. So now we have Supermemo with the middle level. There's a lot of features now that are available, but we will see those in context. So the only thing that I want to share now is this one that is being added, the web. In the help submenu, we have seen all of that already, but hey, for whatever reason, web was not available. And can you guess what it does? Most of this just goes to Supermemo documentation. So online help goes to the main page. As easy as that. We have seen this website quite a lot already. Next, YouTube. I thought it will go to the YouTube channel. Not exactly. It goes to Supermemopedia, Supermemo on YouTube. And you have the official video, the official channel from Piotr Wozniak, that in this case has 44 videos. He has been active recently, 2 weeks ago and 1 month, because he had, you can see, he was inactive for 2 years, from 1 year to 3 years, and 4 years. So imagine, in 4 years he only did like a few videos, and then recently he did 4 more. And then you have Pleasurable Learning, the channel you're watching now. At the time of the recording, here it says 800 videos, but once I finish the course, this will have more than 2,000. Yes, you heard that right, more than 2,000. Supermemo Wiki, which is was the channel run by the community. They started just a few months earlier than me, so more or less at the same time. Was more than one person, so it was a collective effort. But it has been more than 3 years that it has been stopped. And it includes one video, a series of videos of the course, which I started reacting to, but I stopped because now I'm doing the full-fledged course from scratch. But yeah, it's a good introduction, but there's a lot of room of improvement. And then some other channels like Supermemo Theater, Supermemo World. This was official channel, but from an employee. I think there's one video from Wozniak, but most of the time is Michael. And it just really, it's old, you can see, 16 years ago. I actually reacted to all of those videos. I have a video to mention which videos pass the test of time. So even if they are 16 years old, they stay true. If you use Supermemo 19. So, some they don't. And Supermemo World, that is from the company that do the language learning, unrelated to the Incremental reading app from Wozniak. And then you have Winston and Flasher Guy. Flasher Guy has like 6 videos to explain what is incremental reading. It's a pity he hasn't created anything else. It's been, again, 6. It's been 3 years. I have shared his videos quite a lot. It's gold. And that's why I won't be replicating his analogy. I won't do a better job than him. And Winston, that usually is a user sharing his own flows. Outlier case, because he uses auto-hotkey scripts components in Supermemo. We'll see what that means. And he also applies with reading, playing music, philosophy, meditation, something that is very hard to find. And the only and language learning. The only side effect, the only con, let's say, is that it's unedited. Other than that, it's a good resource. And then you have other channels. I don't know why is here now. James, that in the past he was a Supermemo user. So he has a few old videos, again, 3 years ago, using Supermemo. And I reacted to most of those videos as well, if you want to see my input on those. And he also has some videos, what is spaced repetition, what is incremental reading, or why learning should be pleasurable. Here you go. More the theoretical aspect. Those are the videos about Supermemo, and that's pretty much it. Keep moved on from Supermemo. I guess that's why it's here in other channels instead of, oh, it's dedicated. Okay, that's the difference. So that means that eventually my channel will be in other channels because I will move on from Supermemo because I will have covered everything, basically. So this is more or less the preview of web and YouTube and online help. In the next video, we'll see the options after the divider. See you incrementally.